Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Mackenzie.
And I'm Maddie.
Today we're going to be teaching you how to make cupcakes. Chocolate cupcakes. Yes, with chocolate frosting.
This is the chocolate batter.
Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna do your thing. Your thing?
Let's get started.
We have some water, cupcake liners in a pan where we're gonna put the cupcakes in, and a whisk, a scooper, and some icing.
And what we have here is batter for the cupcakes and a bowl and some eggs and oil. Okay, the most importantly, lick the whisk.
Oops. So now we're going to scoop it up and scoop up the batter and put it into the cupcake liners.
Yeah, and we're going to take turns.
Okay. Looks like chocolate. That's like
Melted around the candy world. The chocolate fountain. I love making cupcakes.
with me. Now we gotta put it in the oven so they can rise. And then we can put the frosting.
So they can rise and shine.
So we have the oven set for 350 degrees, and we're gonna put the cupcakes in here for about 18 minutes.
That was fun. Oh, we're not done yet. We have to do the frosting. Okay guys, and now we're gonna try our cupcake.
We frosted them and put our sprinkles on. So let's taste them.
We gotta take the wrapper off first.
Okay, let's try it.
Whoa.
It's really good. I like it because the frosting and the sprinkles are there. And I like the chocolate.
I like the frosting and the chocolate. And I like the sprinkles because they're pretty.
Okay guys, thanks for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell. Bye.
Bye.